Because my boss told me I should. Obviously, certifications help in where you go in the company.
It seems that a lot of employers are actually looking for certifications in Autodesk programs. So with it being free, it was a great opportunity to try it out.
Just to validate with myself that I knew what I thought I knew, and secondly, to be able to show other people that I know what I say I know.
I run the user group, a Revit user group in Minnesota, so I just wanted to make sure I was legitimate.
This is become an opportunity to become recognized by Autodesk.
I wanted to get certified so I can take this stuff back to my classes that I teach, offer certification classes, and help other people get certified.
And so I could add the AutoCAD logo to the books that I write so that the people reading it and learning from it will know that it's coming from an AutoCAD professional.
I think in the future it's really going to help to drive business to D3 by offering the certifications to our customers, and they're going to try to build their resumes and build their careers as well.
It looks good on a resume.
Yeah, that's...
Our boss outlaws shorts at work, and if we are certified, they're going to have a harder time getting rid of us.
Yeah. Besides the right to boast about how you're Autodesk certified and somebody else isn't, you stick it on a resume.
As I've always thought about taking it, and I didn't think it could look bad on a resume. It's better than not having it on your resume.
I think it's a nice addition to my resume.
I think I really should actually understand the material pretty well, since I manage the development of the courseware. So that's probably the best reason why. Yeah.
Hello, I needed to get certified so you can pay me more. That's basically why I'm here.
They offered it, and I figured it would be beneficial to my career, so I went for it.
I think it'll help me professionally by having a tangible expression of my knowledge.
I'm certified.
I'm certified.
I'm certified.
I am certified.
I'm certified.